Okay, so for the example of how to use the 5 steps, I gave you an example that needs all 5 just so you would know how to do it. So first, step 1 says to combine like terms says to distribute if needed. I see parentheses, so I am going to distribute this -2. So -2 times x is -2x. -2 times -3, negative times negative is positive. 2 times 3 is 6. Bring down this plus 6. And then just bring down the rest of the equation. I'm going to put a 1 in front of this x because I like to see the coefficient. So that was step 1, I distributed. Step 2 says combine like terms on either side. So they have to be on the same side to be considered like terms. So if I'm looking on the first side, which is the left, I have a +6 and a +6. Those are both constants. There's only one variable, so there's no variable to combine with it. They have to be on the same side of the equation. So when I combine like terms, I bring down the -2x. I combine the 6's to get a +12. On the other side of the equation, I have x's to combine. So I have a 3x and I have a +1x. Together that makes 4x, and then I bring down my -6. Okay, that's step 2. I combined my like terms. Step 3 says get all your variables on the same side. So I have a -2x here and I have a +4x there. They're on different sides. I need all my variables to be on the same side. Always choose the smaller variable, okay? This way you'll end up with a positive. So I want to get rid of this -2x, and I'm going to do the opposite. The opposite of minus is addition, so I'm going to add 2x's here, and I'm going to add 2x's on the other side. You can only add x's to x's, okay? These go away because -2 plus 2 is 0, so there's no x's left, but I do still have the 12. 4x plus 2x is 6x, and I have this -6. My next step, step 4, says to get all the the constants on the other side. So my variables are here on the right side. That means my constants have to be on the left. So I have to get rid of this -6. I don't want any constants on this side of the equal sign. So I do the opposite of minus, which is plus, and then I'm going to also add 6 here. These go away, and I have 6x equals 18. Step 5 says isolate the variable. When you isolate the variable, that means I just want it to be 1x, not 6x. So to get rid of this 6, I'm going to divide because these are attached by multiplication. So divide by 6 here, divide by 6 here. Now I have x equals, I'm always going to start with the variable. 18 divided by 6 is 3. If you wrote it as 3 equals x, that's the exact same thing, but I like my variable to come first, so I'm going to write it like that. Box or circle or highlight your answer so I know it's your answer. That is it for this lesson. You're going to take a really quick exit ticket on do you know the order of the 5 steps. So please use your notes. Everyone should get a 10 out of 10. Submit it when you're done and it will be added to the grade book. So I can't check your steps this week because some of you are doing it on paper. So the only thing going in the grade book this week is the exit ticket. So take your time. Don't make any silly mistakes. The steps are in order. They have to go in order. And that is it.